Okay, everybody, today we have a rare find. It's a 2017 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. This vehicle has just over 34,000 miles, folks. It's like brand new, and of course it's certified, so you get all types of added warranty and protection. Gorgeous black pearl coat on the outside. You're gonna have fog lights, privacy glass, moonroof, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, sliding rear window. This vehicle has it all. Let's take a look at some of those interior features. Okay, folks, take a look in the back of this Ridgeline. Because it is the Ridgeline, it does have a unique tailgate, so it opens two ways. It drops this way and swings out as well. And you also have an extra storage compartment in the back of the Ridgeline that opens just like that. That can open with your key fob and without it. You're also going to have a power outlet in the bed as well as in-bed audio, so you can play your speakers from the back of the cab. Moving to the back seat area, you do have the black leather interior. These seats do flip up if you need added space in the back. Also, you have a rear sliding window as well. Moving to the front of the vehicle, as I mentioned, you're going to have a power driver and passenger seat, as well as traction controls. You're also going to have heated seats and a heated steering wheel and navigation built in here. Okay, everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Road to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in 2017 Ridgeline Black Edition. Gorgeous vehicle, folks. Four-wheel drive capabilities. It'll take you anywhere you need to go these coming winter months in style. Navigation, tinted windows in the back, moonroof up top, and heated seats. You'll be riding in luxury. Come check it out today, and come see me, Treston, when you do. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.